Hello, welcome to English for Everyone. Today we're talking about the word arrive. Arrive is correct, it's correct English, but it's not very common in conversational American English. It's too formal. You might hear it with a flight, the flight will arrive, but that's not conversational English. What do we say? Well, we say get. We say get to the. Example, get to the theater. Get to the restaurant. Remember, get is an irregular action. In the present, get. In the past, got. Make the open sound, ah, like hot and stop. Got, with a stop T, got. And the participle is gotten. Not gotten, but gotten. Make the stop T and fall to the N sound. Gotten. So again, in the present, get. In the past, got. And the participle is gotten. Example, they got to the theater, or they got to the theater early. Question, why did they get to the theater early? They got to the theater early to buy popcorn. Let's practice. Why did they get to the theater early? That's right, they got to the theater early to buy popcorn. Example, they got to the restaurant before it closed. Question, did they get to the restaurant before it closed? Yes, they did. They got to the restaurant before it closed. Let's practice. Did they get to the restaurant before it closed? That's right, they got to the restaurant before it closed. Example, they got to the airport in time for their flight. Question, did they get to the airport in time for their flight? Yes, they did. They got to the airport in time for their flight. They weren't late. They got there in time. Let's practice. Did they get to the airport in time for their flight? That's right. They got to the airport in time for their flight. But be careful when you use get. Some places are special. Some common places like work and school. We don't say get to the work or get to my work. We just say get to work. And the same for school. We say get to school. No the school, no my school. Get to work, get to school. Example, it takes 30 minutes to get to work. Question, how long does it take to get to work? The answer, it takes about 30 minutes to get to work. Let's practice. How long does it take to get to work? That's right, it takes about 30 minutes to get to work. Example, it takes 20 minutes to get to school. Question, how long does it take to get to school? It takes about 20 minutes to get to school. Let's practice. How long does it take to get to school? That's right, it takes about 20 minutes to get to school. Also remember, special places like home, here, and there. When we use home, here, and there, we don't use to. So I cannot say get to home. We say get home. Also for here, we say get here, and there, we say get there. To is not necessary. Example, he's going to have dinner when he gets home. Remember, change the action get. I get and you get, but he gets. He gets home. The example, he's going to have dinner when he gets home. The question, is he going to have dinner when he gets home? Yes, he's going to have dinner when he gets home. Let's practice. Is he going to have dinner when he gets home? That's right, he's going to have dinner when he gets home. So I use here for this place. Is he going to get here on time? No, he's not going to get here on time. He's stuck in traffic. Let's practice. Is he going to get here on time? Why not? That's right. He's not going to get here on time because he's stuck in traffic. If I talk about that place, a different place, I say there. He's going to get there on time. Or maybe he's not going to get there on time. That's right. He's not going to get there on time because he's stuck in traffic. Let's practice. Is he going to get there on time? Why not? That's right. He's not going to get there on time because he's stuck in traffic. Very good. So remember, avoid using arrive in American English. In conversational, real-life English, people don't use arrive. They use get. And remember, we say get to the theater, get to the restaurant. But if you say work or school, we say get to work and get to school. And also remember, home, here, and there. Just say get home, get here, and get there. Let's practice. Did he get to the office on time? That's right, he didn't get to the office on time. He was late. Let's practice. Did he get there on time? That's right, he didn't get there on time. He was stuck in traffic. Did he get to work on time? That's right, he didn't get to work on time. He was late. Let's practice. Did he get to school late? That's right, he got to school late. Let's practice. Did he get home in the evening? That's right, he got home in the evening. What time did he get home? That's right, he got home at 7 p.m. Let's practice. Did he get to the airport in the morning? That's right, he got to the airport in the morning. Let's practice. What time did he get to the airport? That's right, he got to the airport at 8 o'clock. Let's practice. Did he get to the theater late? That's right, he didn't get to the theater late. Did he get to the theater early? That's right, he got to the theater early to buy popcorn. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and if you want to become a member, click the join button. We'll see you next time.